It's cold. You're wet.
My socks off.
Oh, poor baby.
Look at it.
Oh. What are you doing, Mama? Wow, so pretty. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog with the Lee family.
And it's snowy time.
It's snowing outside.
Yeah.
Well, baby. Can't wait. Okay, come on.
Look at your boots, babe.
Girl. And your hat's all sideways.
What? What?
You like it? Look, it's a little flower. You're gonna grow a little flower.
Oh my goodness, I want to make it right now.
And then here's nail polish.
You gave us a present?
Yeah, it's for Valentine's Day.
Oh my goodness.
You wanna do your nails? Okay, we'll do them later. Oh, it's a baby boy. He's trying to get up. Look at it. He's trying to get up. Look. Look at outside, y'all. Oh, look at my neighbor. Look outside, y'all. It's so pretty. If you live in Texas, you know that we don't get no snow in Texas at all. So right now, we're actually inside. And we are about to... Come on, baby.
No.
So we're gonna take advantage of being inside all day, and we're gonna paint our nails because today's Valentine's Day. Today's Valentine's Day. Got their nail polishes. You know, I got pink and blue because I got two different personalities right here.
And look at I'm eating. I'm eating snow.
Got some snow. We got the nail polish remover. We got all that stuff. Edgar couldn't hit the gym, so he's using my son as a gym. I already did her nails. Let me see your nails, mommy. Oh my god, I look away for 1 second. What? What was that?
I didn't know she was behind me and I was falling back.
It's snow.
And I hit her with my head.
Dude, you made me scream.
I'm scared.
Rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first?
Okay.
Don't mind that. That's for the fire later. Okay, again.
What happened?
Lily, why did you pick the same?
Wait, what happened?
She picked the same thing 3 times in a row.
Put on the block. Oh, wrong way. Wait, why is there 2 holes?
What funny one is this?
Hey, why are you doing the slow motion?
I can't go past it. How do you do it?
I don't know how to do that.
Well, then don't judge me.
Put them on because.
What are those?
Isn't she lovely?
I don't know the words. I'm having a brain fart, so I can't remember. We gon' do this girl's toenails, then we gon' come back so you can see. Drop the mic. Whoa, you're making a mess, sir. While your sisters and your dad are making plant pots, you should be eating, but you don't want to eat. Say, what's up, y'all? What's up, everybody? Clap, clap. Yeet. Oh, that's a whip. Yeet. Oh. Hi-ya. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, and who gets the first paint? Rock, paper, scissors. No, you gotta, don't pick this. You gotta pick different ones, okay?
I want Bubba to have logs because I really grab it. You don't tell people.
Yeah, you don't do that. It's just a surprise.
That's a cheat.
Okay, ready?
That's cheating. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Baby, you gotta change it. Okay, 2 more times.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa, you gotta keep changing it. Baby, you gotta keep changing it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, it's time! It's time! Okay, both of you gotta change it, okay? You gotta change it. You ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah! Okay, pick which one. Okay. Which one? Oh wait, Lily, which one? Can you get these, baby? They're pretty. That is so their personality. Bright and dark colors. And you just a regular rainbow, my love.
Think what I'm making. Don't see.
A snowman.
I'm making a snowman cat.
A snowman cat.
Yeah.
What are you drawing, baby?
Boy.
Oh, you're drawing big boy? You're drawing big boy?
When it's quiet, what?
When it gets quiet all at once, it means an angel is passing by.
Who told you that?
Jersey Shore. Look what he's doing to my table.
Just like scratch it. Oops.
You scratched it, babe. You guys, I did this table all by myself. I sealed it. He sanded it actually, so I didn't do it by myself. He sanded it. What else did you do? That's it, right? I painted it. I sealed it. I painted the bottom. And look, he's messing it up. Let me see what you got going on, girl. Wow. Let me see.
Oh no.
Oh, my kids are artists. Let me see, mommy. Wow, so pretty, baby. Woo! Your first time in snow. Okay, Bella, poor baby, she's gonna fall down. Look at our cars.
He thinks we're leaving.
Bella, there's
Hey, little girl.
Daddy, look at your window. Daddy, your window. Daddy, look. Whoa.
This is so crazy.
Oh my God. Whoa.
Whoa, look at this street.
Mama.
How is you, big boy? Big boy, yeah.
I'm only double layered.
Girls, come over here.
Wow, this is crazy, man. Look at this street.
Yeah.
I can't see nothing. Babe,
Oh.
are you recording?
But here, I'm about to beat these girls up. But they want to throw salt at me.
Oh, salt? You said salt. Babe, look at Rennie's nose. Mommy, let me see.
Jesus.
Oh, my love. Are you cold? Yeah.
Daddy, I can't.
My gosh. We're the only ones out on this street.
Oh, Daddy, help me.
Come here, Mama. You can't see. Oh, she fell. It's cold, huh? It's cold? Yeah? You ready to go back in? Oh, baby! And Daddy put the fire on? And Daddy put the fire on?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll put the fire on. Don't cry, baby. Kiss. Look at my hair, y'all. That was a big fail. Nobody wanted to... Well, actually, everybody wanted to go outside, but now that we went outside, nobody wanted to stay outside. I don't know what is up with these two. They're inseparable. What are y'all doing? Why does it feel better out here than in the front? Oh, we can't see anything. We can't see our street when you where the stop sign is.
Look, it won't even unfreeze. Like this is as good as we can see.
Who's that?
Hugo.
Oh, that's what I thought. So that sounds like Hugo. You guys, we're like actually so shocked. Look how much snow there is. There is never this much snow. You like the snow, babe?
Yeah.
To remind you of your childhood?
Yeah.
So crazy.
Or you took a
We
booger.
haven't. Ew.
Babe, you made a booger come out.
Ew, is that what was on my nose?
Yeah. Taking it.
Comment down below if you live in Texas. Specifically, Texas. I don't even know, is it all around Texas or just us? If you in the DFW area, good. Turn it off. My hands are freezing. How did the girls do this?
Let me see. Do it again, babe.
I can't.
Do it again. One more time.
I pissed a little.
You dirty.
Goodness for the terriers.
Ooh, Daddy got the fire going.
I got it.
You did get it going. Daddy was helping me take the groceries
I
out.
won't take up much room.
Yeah, I put a lot of matches with the extra spots on, and I remade
I
it.
can see.
Job.
Then
you caught
it was
anything?
again.
What's up, y'all? So today is the next day. It is still snowing outside. I just took a shower, so I don't want my hair. And we're being a little ratchet today because we can't go outside. We want some cookies and hot chocolate, so that's what we're gonna do.
And make fires for the Christmas and make a present. My baby. Oh, that's my mom. Oh, that's my mom.
We're gonna be making cookies the ratchet in the most easiest way. We're gonna be using this pre-made cookie dough instead of making
And I'm
cookies.
gonna make the cookies.
But anyways, Texas is currently shut down, supposedly, because of the snow. And my husband's home. Daddy's home. Daddy doesn't have to go to work.
Because it's snowing. Oh my goodness, can I have a bite? Take out the things, the chips.
Okay, let's set our oven to 350. 350. 350.
350.
A cookie.
I can't grab all your stuff. Oh, this pop.
Grab a cookie, mommy.
I
Hey,
got two.
Our governor, Greg Abbott, said it was the first time in like Texas history that it's been this cold because we're in the single digits now. And it's snowing. I had to go out to go buy groceries because we didn't have any groceries. And at the grocery store, there was nothing. There was no meat, no eggs, barely anything.
So,
Do you like
I
it?
this. And my hair looks long. And the mommy needs to cut it. I don't want it long because I don't want to go through the toilet.
Yeah, babe.
Touch the bike.
Anybody else's daughter take the chocolate chips out the chocolate chip dough? Don't do that. That doesn't make it a chocolate chip anymore. Daddy is enjoying that he's home. Look at him and his son. Look at him and his son. Say hi, baby.
All the way there.
Say hi. Hey, put your tongue back in your mouth. Let me just show you guys how much more snow there is.
Mommy.
How much more snow. Like I can, that skateboard is basically gone. Girls! What are you touching? Your feet are gonna freeze off. So guys, it is currently 6:30 and thankfully we still have electricity because a lot of people in our neighborhood and on different streets, they don't have any electricity. But
I forgot my gloves.
oh gosh, where you guys at? Edgar decided to take them out here. He's over there with the girls because me and Adonis can't go out there. We're Serenity is sleeping. We can't go out there anymore because, oh, I almost fell, y'all saw that? We can't go out there anymore because, look at his face. Can you guys see his face? He has red all over his cheeks, on his nose. And that was literally from being out there yesterday for like 3 minutes. We weren't even out there that long. I had a blanket over his head and he had like 3 layers on. It was just his face that was showing. So it got on his face. Let me see if you guys can see it this way. Can you guys see? Oh, it's even on his nose. Come on, there you go, on your knees. There you go, on your knees. Now come forward. Come forward. There.
Good luck.
Go. Go. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace. Peace. Peace.